Just wanted to show you quickly how you can recover images from a Word document. What we'll do first is we'll take a look at the Word document with an application called Bean. And what it does is it shows the embedded topics. Here is a math type or equation that's been embedded into the document. Figures don't show up at all. There are certain figures which are embedded math type documents, and then you can see where they are. These embedded documents, if you click on them, will result in an invocation of math type. There are certain things that you can see in the document that are perhaps embedded from other places, such as this one, which is embedded from Microsoft Excel. If you were to proceed to open the old style Word doc with a modern version of Microsoft Word, this is version 16.25, what happens is you get your equations. They seem to have been embedded, and that's fine. The figures don't show up at all. You can probably envision how other math type documents that are designated as figures should show up. And then when you go down to something like the embedded Word documents, embedded Excel documents, I mean, if you look at these, you can see, aha, here is something that's been embedded. You can double click on it. It will invoke the Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet from which this was embedded. You could copy it. You can go over in here. You can do a paste special, but I don't see that here. I don't see the hyperlink is here. Let's see what that does. Don't see anything. You can go over in here and you can look for links, but links is grayed out, so I'm not sure how that gets linked in. If you were to paste it in, what would happen? Spinning beach ball of death. So that's not working so good. So here it is, Microsoft Word failing again, and your only recourse now is to force quit out of the non-responding applications. And this is very typical behavior for Microsoft Word. Basically, Word doesn't work properly. It gets very unhappy. So what do you want to do? Let's try and open this with something else. How about OpenOffice? So you open it with OpenOffice, and what do you get? Open it read-only. That's fine. And now it looks like absolute garbage. This looks like a completely corrupted file. Very typical. So Microsoft Word has done it again. Another messed up file. Let's try it again, only this time with LibreOffice. Now LibreOffice should be running. Let's see if we can find it. And here it is. And it's working. So LibreOffice has somehow managed to recover the file. And here's the cool part. We even got the figure that we couldn't see before. Now you could try and double click on it, and it doesn't really know very much about these things. Couldn't load the image, blah blah blah, trigger hyperlink, doesn't know what to do. But if you take the document and you make a new drawing, you can take the drawing, you can copy it, you can push it into the document, you can go under the tools, shape, convert to polygon, and now if you want you can double click on things and they're editable. Look at this, editable documents. Isn't that remarkable? So it seems as though Microsoft Word is completely hosed, doesn't know what to do, but LibreOffice saves the day. OpenOffice is also clueless. close this, don't save it. Or you could save it if you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm not going to save it. Let's close it. Don't save. Okay, so now we've got this new document, and it looks like everything is reading properly. Let's take a look at that embedded Excel spreadsheet. And there you have it. It's there. It's all there. So now let's take it and save it as a modern version of Word. We'll overwrite the old one. Now let's quit out of LibreOffice. And now we should have a new version written just now. And then you can open it with Microsoft Word. Let's see what Microsoft Word has to say now. And what do we got? We got our equations, all the equations. Look, look, look. The figures are back. Ooh. Ooh, spreadsheets. Ooh, ah, yes. And let's have a look now at some of that extra stuff that we were looking at from before. The, look, 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 look. And a hyperlinked version of Microsoft Excel. What do you suppose will happen if we double-click on it now? Doesn't show any of the hyperlinks. I don't see any hyperlinks in this document. It's not going to show any links because links are also grayed out. But if I double-click on it, I know it's an embedded Word document. Oh, there you go. Look at this. An embedded document. And you got the original data, all here in a worksheet. Pretty cool. And look, all the extra data is there from before. Just undo the object so you don't see it. And you are back to a Word document that you can work with. Save your document, quit out of Word, and voila, you're back in business. And that is my little demo on how to save old Word documents. Use LibreOffice. Thank you.